Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. This look right here took me so long to do. Like, I don't know, but it's so pretty. I really like it. I just had a feeling that I was gonna like this look. Like, I'm like, okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm about to do. This is so cute. I'm in love with this look. To the set, the blank canvas base, because my eyes are hooded, so I already have creases in my eyes. So they say it don't crease, it sets, but set that base. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want y'all to see this look. So if you want to see how cute this look, then keep watching. I did my eyebrows off camera. I jammed these brows, baby. I'm gonna try to explain this look as I'm doing it, because I think I got it. I think I know what I'm doing in my head, y'all. First off, I'm gonna take these two bases. Y'all already know my two favorite bases. Well, my favorite base line, Plouise number 6 and number 3. So I'm taking number 6 and I'm just basically putting this on the lid. The brush, and when I go, I'm gonna say the brushes and explain exactly what I'm doing with these brushes. So this is a Artist Loft Vina brush. It doesn't say a number, but it's this one from Michaels, and it's basically going over my brows. I'm going like that in the front so that they can be even. I want them to be as even as possible. To save you some time, you can use this to clean up your brows underneath instead of going in with a concealer and then this and then your base. I don't know, I just like the way I do things for coverage, anything. Never like the top of my brow bone to be like too light. I did that before when I tried the Plouise base for the first time, and it was like it was base number 2, and it was not, it looked like I'm doing drag makeup, trial and error. Yeah. Give it a minute to dry. Like she said 60 seconds, so just wait a minute for it to like get kind of tacky, not dry but tacky. Take my Jenny Charles palette, and I'm going to take that black right here. What we're going to do is we are going to take that black. So I'm going to start from the front first. Still taking this brush because it's flat, y'all. It's flat. Before you go in, make sure you are tapping, pat. Your base is getting oily or like creasing on you. Make sure you wipe your eyelids off prior to putting anything on your lids. I did was I just took the black to the cap area. The next color I'm gonna get is this purple, and I'm gonna take a small brush to actually pack this on because it's so close to my eyebrows. I want to get as close on that black area as possible. So this brush is a E17, y'all. I'm packing this on top of that black. So pack, we are focusing on the transitions going up. Making sure I get every bit of that purple on that black. Tapping and laying out everything right now. Staying low so you can add that last color. I'm just putting it out, even on this thing right here. I'm going to my Juvias face palette and I'm gonna grab this yellow right here. It's yellow and I'm taking it on a Morphe 535 brush, and it's a fluffy brush. With the last shade, and I'm staying low, y'all. I'm still staying low because I'm just tapping these colors on. What I like to do is take a fluffy brush. For the last shade, because what it's going to do is it's going to basically airbrush it and make it. There's a difference between that and that clean and just a line. Y'all could have drew a line. And took this and clicked it up. Now with that, this one's not this side, sorry, just this side. We want more cut going on than more so this transition. Because it's up too high. I didn't have any gold or anything like that. Because I would have did gold this, because yellow and gold they go together. But I wanted to add this like silver shade to cut with. I'm gonna start right here with the cut because I'm gonna drag that other color up. Let's take a glass of and kind of cut it like that. Go ahead, Vaseline. Okay, and that product do be kind of hard to get off. What I'm gonna do is this is gonna kind of dry it. I have to cover these three bases. We have Ibiza, Ecstasy, and then the blank canvas. But I'm gonna start off with the lighter color first. Now, this is what we got so far. I'm about to add blank canvas base. Oh, this is kind of like a beach. trying to get the food. So far as I'm liking it. Ecstasy is blue. I thought it was purple, but sure, I guess you can say it's purple because blue, purple. I'm about to cut that and then put the nude in there. I'm about to add glitter. What glitter I added from my lips is from Glitch Your Life on Instagram. And I'm gonna add that blue.
Glitter, get in. Well, where the base covered the glitter?
No, it's not in there no more. I apply my lashes with my lash line. It's the fresh ones I keep using. The process of doing the other eye on camera, but I just put purple, blue, and like a little bit of pink on the lower lash line, and then I added mascara. Blush. Volume 1 palette by Juvias. Take my KKW Beauty 3. I'm gonna put sand on my lips. Add some clear gloss. Well, should do gloss ain't even clear no more. So I'm about to go take down my curls and put on the top, and I'm coming right back. Into the tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And then I'll see you guys on the next one.